Alexa, stop. Gonna get me copyrighted. Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Today I'm gonna be doing a tutorial type situation with the new Gingerbread Extra Spicy palette from Too Faced. I was looking for inspiration on this palette because there's so many beautiful colors in here, and I'm like, I don't even know what to do. I also was like searching for YouTube videos on this palette just to I don't know, try and get an idea of what I want to do, but all the videos was just like comparing and swatches and talking about it, not really looks. So I was just like, okay, I'll do like a million looks for people that want to actually see looks. So that's what I'm gonna do today. So get ready, buckle up, be prepared. It's just gonna be a very straightforward video. It's just gonna be straight to the point, and we're just gonna do some eyeshadow looks and have fun today, so that's what's gonna happen. You know, it's actually kind of funny that I am doing like an eyeshadow look situation with a Christmas palette today, because I'm over here in a Sherpa. I'm freezing my nuts off. It is cold. It was 91 degrees on Saturday, and now it's like 45 degrees outside, and it's ridiculous. If I literally had a sack, it would freeze off. It would chip and freeze off if I even touched it. So that's the situation I am dealing with right now. It's freezing and I don't like it. But anyways, before we get into the video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to. It would be really nice if you did. It would mean the world to me. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so here are the shades in this palette. Super pretty. The very first Gingerbread palette that came out last year, I was not into whatsoever. I thought the shades were just not that great, in my opinion. It just didn't appeal to me. But when I saw this online, I was like, I kind of like it. Then I went to Ulta, I swatched stuff, I played with it, and I was like, you know what, I have to have it. But I'm pretty excited to play with this because this looks so pretty and it smells so good. It says it smells like gingerbread, but I don't smell it. It just smells sweet to me. But I don't smell gingerbread. But even the mirror is adorbs. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and start getting into the eye looks. We're gonna make it simple and sweet. Simple and extra spicy. So let me get you closer and let's get rocking and rolling. So that's it for today's looks with the extra spicy gingerbread palette from Too Faced. I actually really enjoy these looks a lot. I think this one's my favorite. It's just so like, I don't even know how to explain it. But anyways, I really enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And I will see y'all in my next video.